Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn for each directive in LWC. So let's start. So here I have an array. Basically, what is the use of for each directive? Use this directive to render the list or array in the component or HTML, you can say that. Okay, so for each directive का use, basically use this directive to render the list or array in the component or HTML template. In this template we can use this. So now I'm going to use for each directive here. To use for each directive, I'm using a array here. The name is array variable. So I'm using here array, and you cannot give this array variable in this double quotes. You have to use this expression tag. Okay, it is showing me error because for each and for item directive should be associated together. So here another directive for item to store a current item of array. Okay, now to make a unique element inside the iterator or inside the loop, we have to use a unique key for it. So I am using a key here, and also I am using a current item here because I am in the current item I have given a 1 2 3 4 5, so all the element is unique. Okay, now I'm using td and printing this current item, deploying. Let's see. So guys, you can check it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 10. Okay, so this is the for each loop. For each directive you can use in LWC. One another scenario, suppose I want to get this specific row data in my JS file. How we can do this? Because this for each directive is applying on the tr. So what is happening here? So after that, inspect this, you can check it. It is creating a multiple tr for each row. Okay, for each element, basically you can check it. Okay, so I want to get specific row data. So how we can do this? I'm taking another column here and using button, name is click, and on this button I'm using a on click event and using a function name as action function, and creating this function in the JS file and putting a log console.log here, action function called, and deploying this. Reload this and check it. You can check it, action function call. So how we can get that specific row data in the JS file? There is one another directive for index to get a specific index, or you can say that current index. I am using one another column to print an index here. You can check it in the array index 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now I want to get a specific row data. When I click on this button, I just want to get 2 here. I'm removing this index from here. Okay, I'm deploying this. Now I'm setting this index to the dataset attribute. How you can set this? Data hyphen. You can give any name of the variable like index, or you can say that current index. Okay, so you can give any name here after that data. Okay, and I'm giving this index variable here, so it will get a current index. Now I'm going to my function. After that, on click this element, or button, it's calling a action function. So I'm getting a event here. Event.target. Now I want to get a current index, so I have set a current index in the data set. How you can set this? Data hyphen current index. So dataset dot current index. Now I am deploying this and check it. The action function call index. I'm not getting index here. Data set dot current index. Why I'm not getting this? Index. I'm changing it to index. It is not getting. Let's debug it. It's getting me a string here. It is giving me a string here. So what we can do? So we can pass like this. Okay, and deploy this. So guys, you can check it. I am getting an index here. So again, if you want to change a variable name like current index, so you can try with this also. Again, I am deploying this. Okay, I am getting an index. On click of 1, I am getting a 0. 2, I am getting a 1. So I am getting a current index. Now I want to get a current row data. So how we can do this? This dot array. In this array, we can pass our index here and check this first. So guys, you can check it. On click of 6, I am getting 6. On click of 5, I am getting 5. On click of 4, I am getting 4. So this is the way you can get a current row data. Suppose it can be a JSON array. Okay, like name Varun, comma name Verma. So what we can do, from this current index we can access name here. And reload it. You can check it. It is showing like proxy. If you use JSON.stringify, like here, JSON.stringify, so you can easily check a current data. You can check it here. So this is the main use of our each directive. Thank you so much guys.